What's going on, people? Welcome to Infinite Crypto Explore, research and invest in cryptocurrencies. This is my second price prediction, and maybe not the last one this year, on what will be the price of Electroneum in 2018. So last time I think I said that Electroneum will get to $1 until the end of 2018. Let's try to rethink that. After thinking a lot and seeing the approach on how to promote Electroneum, I do understand where are they heading to. Now, I didn't actually think about it, but what's actually better than exchanges? A utility coin that you can actually use, and the transactions will be fast enough that it will be usable until the end of 2018. Now, what I've seen regarding Electroneum, let's just refresh it. We are seeing a red day, and Electroneum is in place number 41 with 811 million in market cap. So anyway, what I'm seeing on Electroneum on the news, I am seeing that they are focusing a lot of marketing on mass adoption, and they've got two main contracts that I've seen so far, B Media and where is it? I forgot that name with the company. We've got actually four contracts. Two of them are centralized companies, and two of them are decentralized companies, you can say. So where is it? If I will, there it is. So we've got Xias, telecommunication, a huge one actually, in South America, 65 million members, and we've got B Media at Asia, Japan, and we've got two decentralized companies, which is Titanium, which is currently on the ICO stage, when they are actually working with their CEO Michael Stoller, and we've got also Funfair, which recently they've signed an agreement with. And remember that Richard actually said that they've got dozens of agreements waiting to be signed, from small ones to huge ones. I do hope that he's going to update us even with the smallest agreement that is going to sign with, because I do believe that it's important for us to stay updated on everything. Even though we are talking about a decentralized anonymous coins, I do think that we need to know everything regarding what are we investing in. So they are thinking about how to promote Electroneum and how to get mass adoption. Now, what will actually get this price to be the highest possible? Is it getting to every single one of this exchange? And the answer is absolutely no. Of course, it will help short-term investors to get profits and get out if we're going to see them joining Bitfinex and Bittrex and Poloniex and Binance, a trading volume market of around $15 billion a day, I believe. But will it actually help them to get to the price prediction, to the mass adoption that they want? Absolutely not. It will only get them to be adopted by investors. But what they are looking for is they are actually looking to get adoption from people that will actually use that coin on a daily basis. That's why they're putting their entire effort not on exchanges, but actually on contracts and making that coin as useful as possible, getting that coin to 2019 to a stage that when you are going to use your phone, you're actually going to use Electroneum for something very, very day-to-day basis for a lot of people. If it's transaction fee, transaction of money, transactions or buying things for gaming and gambling and so on and so on. It actually took me a long time to understand that if I really want that Electroneum price will actually stay stable for a long period of time, I need to think about the long future, the long-term future. Stop thinking about when it's going to actually leave Cryptopia, when we're going to get a second, third, fourth exchange. You actually need to think about it right now. You need to think about it that if we're going to get to Bittrex or Binance, it will only give you the opportunity to sell it on a higher price. But what does that mean for Electroneum? Is that a useful coin? Right now, they actually need to build a coin, a base for that coin. And it won't happen if they're going to use their resources on their entire resources on to get to those exchanges. And they are not. That's why they've got an external advisor like Michael Stoller, where probably until the end of 2018 we're going to see all of those exchanges available for Electroneum transactions and trading. Probably until the end of 2018 you're going to see Electroneum on Binance and Bittrex and maybe even on other exchanges that are not registered here. Maybe. Actually, it's very, very, very logic to think about it. It's 11 months from now. Is it possible that we're going to see all of it available? Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. But that's not what's going to drive the price to what I think it will be until the end of 2018. And I haven't said that price. So the price is built up on a few things. First of all, how is the market going to, what is the market going to be until the end of 2018? Because there is no way to actually avoid price from falling if Bitcoin and Ethereum and the major coins are going to fall. When Bitcoin is falling, everything is falling. Hopefully we're going to see Electroneum and other coins getting away from that really strong correlation between Bitcoin and other coins, because that correlation is very problematic and we need to stay away from Bitcoin as much as possible. That's why I do think that even if we're going to be in exchanges, I do hope that we will be able in the very near future to trade Electroneum with fiat money and with other cryptocurrency coins and not with Bitcoins. So the price prediction, I do think that we are going to see until the end of 2018 Electroneum at the top 20. Now, what does that mean? Does that mean that Electroneum is going to be only on 50 cents? No. The end of 2018, probably the top 20 will be built off a multi-billion dollar coins. When I'm saying a multi-billion, I'm talking about 15 billion and above. So I do think we are going to see a stable, and not a peak, but a stable price of $3 to $5 on Electroneum. If we're going to see that pace of signing agreement, we are going to see 30, 40, and 50 more companies, decentralized and centralized companies, signing with Electroneum, making that coin ready for 2019. And in 2019, it will be a useful and very very a very good coin, a very very good coin to use in the gaming, gambling, and maybe maybe even the banking field. So you need to think about it like that. Anyway, we need to wait for a very big announcements from Electroneum. When is the mobile mining will finish? When are we going to actually see other exchanges, which is good, but I know that signing contracts is even better. So this is my second price prediction. If I said that until the end of 2018 we're going to see Electroneum at $1, we're probably going to see it on $3 to $5, getting a solid market cap of between 15 billion to 25 billion dollars. And that is good news for us, because if you're going to hold Electroneum for that long, then I'm telling you, this is my personal opinion. Of course, I'm not your financial advisor, but if you have the opportunity to buy right now Electroneum, that is a very very good price to actually get Electroneum. So this is my second price prediction on Electroneum. I cannot actually promise that this is my last one, because there is a lot of changes, and actually I understand more and more things on Electroneum as this coin evolves, and I do understand what the team are trying to do and their vision of what this coin should be. So, of course, I do want to hear your opinion. What do you think will be the price of Electroneum until the end of 2018? And I want you to consider, of course, the market cap. Don't tell me $100, because it's not really realistic. Only if you actually think that it will be a $500 billion market cap. Well, if it is, then amazing. But I want to hear from your voice, from your comments. What do you think will be the solid, not the peak price, but the solid market cap and the price of Electroneum? Probably remember that the circulating supply will be around 7, maybe 6.5, between 6.5 to 7 billion ETNs after mining. So consider that, of course. So I do believe that we're going to see between $3 to $5. Anyway, thank you all for watching. And as always, stay awesome, and I will see you all in the next video.